What up, everybody? We're going to test out glue, see how strong it is. We have, I think, like 19 different types of glue. We're going to test them out, and boom. Go. Here they are. How do people do that? They're like, bam! It's right there. I know. Hang on. Pause. Okay. Doo-doo. Ignore the man behind the curtain. All right, we got 19 different types. We have liquid nails for projects, premium Loctite, 3 times stronger than regular Loctite, all-purpose Loctite, so regular Loctite, heavy duty liquid nails, we're gonna test that out, original Gorilla Glue, kind of like super glue, Loctite 3, Loctite 2, not Loctite, oh my God. We have Titebond III, Titebond II, the original Titebond, Elmer's glue, a craft glue, wood glue, original Gorilla Glue. We have Gorilla Glue Wood Ultimate. We got a plethora of stuff here. We have heavy duty construction adhesive Gorilla Glue. This one is clear construction adhesive Gorilla Glue, not heavy duty. And then we have the dollar store super glue. And then we have the original crazy glue. And then we have another dollar store gel super glue, because they said they're wood type, so I figured why not try them out. And then we have the dollar store resin for glue. And we're gonna test all these out, see how strong they are. We're gonna get some blocks, glue them together. Hang on one second. So we have our pieces of wood, they're right here, holes drilled in the middle. Glue them, bam. And then we're gonna try to pull them apart. That's the goal, see how strong this bond is right here in the middle. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get to it. Here's all the glue we're testing now. It's a lot more organized. We got construction adhesive pretty much for the most part. Then we got a couple down there for construction adhesive, Titebonds. I think liquid nails is gonna be the best because I've used them before and it's a really strong hold. And I always use like Titebond II. I don't use 3 or 1. I mainly use 2, but that's usually what's available at the store. Super glue, I mainly get my hands stuck on that. I haven't honestly ever used Gorilla Wood Glue, so I don't know how it is. If I had to say which one I think will do the best, Gorilla Glue, contact adhesive, heavy duty, I think it's gonna be the best. These guys will be the worst, if not crazy glue. All right, let's get to it. We're gonna start with Elmer's glue, this guy right here. Let's see how strong it is. So,
I'm gonna say maybe 10 pounds.
10 pounds? Oh my God, this is Elmer's glue. It puts everything together. I wanna say 25. Whenever you're ready. Right. Slow. Hang on. Holy shit. It's at 90 some pounds. Look at this. It's still losing pressure, but it said 96 up top. I was not expecting that. Hang on. All right, barely press it, just tap it. That's 150 pounds. Tap it again. Let's stand behind this. We're good. Oh God, it's picking it up. 200 pounds, holy shit.
I was not expecting that.
It's a 270, pick it up again. Are you fucking kidding me? We gotta get the Bobcat in here. All right, so Elmer's glue, it picked this guy up and that was very surprising because this is 360 some pounds. And it's craft glue.
Upward.
All right, is that 100 pounds? Go. 243, go. Go. How much was it at?
I have no clue.
So that exploded. No one here got the measurements on it.
I think the last thing I saw was like 700.
700? Oh my God. It blew up, that's for sure.
Definitely.
But this broke at 460 pounds, but it's completely separated from here. So I'm gonna take it as the glue failed.
I'd honestly say it was the string going through the wood.
Me too.
And ripping it in half.
Maybe.
Oh well, next cast.
Titebond I. Why are you hiding?
Safe.
What do you mean safe? What about me?
You're dad. You're supposed to use your abilities.
All right, watch. We're at 0.6 pounds. 12,
Why are you behind me now?
78, 107, 143, 210, 225. Oh my God, 327.
It hit me.
What do we see there?
Last time I saw it was like 300 something, but it split the same way.
I thought like
Yeah, but that was less. It was almost...
the highest I saw was 350. Might have gone to like 380.
But I still think it just went straight, the string went straight through the damn wood again.
All right, this is Titebond II. Because there's 2 on there. All right, watch the scale. It's gonna go flying again. All right. 31 pounds. Oh God, don't look at me. 100 pounds. 151. 180. 223. 286. 334. I saw 4 something. Okay, this thing keeps breaking off, so we're gonna fix that right now. I'm just gonna bend that into place right here.
Maybe it's holding so well because you clamped it really tightly, so it got into the wood grain pieces.
Yeah, I clamped the shit out of that stuff, that's for sure.
Yeah. Maybe other people just slightly clamped it.
No, you're supposed to super clamp them all the time.
Yeah, but did they just, you know, put a little bit of pressure?
I don't know how they were doing it, but I clamped them how I clamp stuff efficiently. All right, so powered on. Ground contact. You know, that's metal on metal. I'm fine with that.
So what, the Elmer's glue is the strongest so far?
Yeah, it's crazy. Because if the wood keeps snapping like they do, we'll have to get different wood to test it out, but this is still amazing. Woo, that should work. Man, I love having a welder. This thing's great. Okay, it's off. Let's unplug it. Okay. Perfect. All right, this thing should not be flying off anymore. Unless the force of this makes it go, and I'll weld like a nail right here. I probably should do that right now. You know what? This should be fine. That looks fine. That looks disgusting, but it should be fine. All right, we have Titebond III. Okay, 41, 38, 73, 146, 226, 340. Holy crap. All right, keep going. Woo! Look, it's still on there. Where'd the wood go?
A piece went there, and then I saw a piece shoot this way.
Was this it? I have no way of telling. There's no number on here. So yeah, look at it. Titebond III. The wood is weaker than the glue. That's pretty crazy. Well, goggles on. This is super glue gel. It's supposed to be about 1,000 pounds. All right, ooh, 27 pounds. Go. 83 pounds. Go. 134 pounds. Go. 156. Go. 223.
Just shoot it now?
Yeah. that was 312. Yeah, it's the wood that's like splitting in half. We might have to come back and try this with better wood.
Before we stop completely, I just want to try this one.
So these are just 1 inch by 1 inch squares, and literally the wood is breaking before the glue. That's amazing. We're gonna do one more test with his super crazy concoction.
It says wood.
Let's go. Hang on. We are at 7 pounds. Go. 50 pounds. Go. 126. Hang on. We go this side because it's spinning. Go. 186. Go. 201. Go. 257. Go. 313. Go. Oh, where'd the other block go? Oh, you found it? Is it in pieces? Oh, no, okay. Okay. Maybe the wood's good. We'll keep the experiments going. Yeah, it just separated. Little boop action. So, I guess the glue we've been testing has just been really that strong. That's cool. Lucky labeled as wood. All right, we're testing out craft glue. Let's see if this snaps the wood or if the bond breaks. Yeah. 476, hang on. All right, go. Oh, look at that stuck in the wood. I can't believe it. Craft glue is amazing. Like, look at that, and just eat that. I think the other one's split into pieces. We have crazy glue going. It's at 0 pounds right now. Go. Hold. 9 pounds. Go. 64. Go. What's it say?
I went to 143.
143. Go. 210.
390.
Yeah.
I couldn't see that one. It just turned.
Go. Oh.
Well, that one definitely did split because I can see the rope on that.
Yeah. All right. I think we'll end it there. Turns out these are actually really good things of glue. Even crazy glue held up to 400 and some pounds before it snapped. Even with the residue of the glue there.
Well, it said it was supposed to hold up to 1,000.
I didn't think it would. We have to find like hardwood or something and use. But yeah, we just used 1 inch by 1 inch squares, and the glue worked very well. Thanks for watching. If you guys did like it, leave a like, comment, subscribe. It does help me out. We're gonna come back with thicker pieces of wood, a better scale, because this only goes up to 660 pounds, and literally the glue broke past it. I let the glue dry for 24 hours while clamped. I don't know how anyone else did it online because their glue broke way faster than this. So yeah, we're gonna come back with a lot better equipment and whatnot. And hopefully the glue breaks before the wood breaks, I don't know. So yeah, if you guys did like it, leave a like, subscribe, comment. See you guys on the next one.